I am here to protest an illegal, unelected person representing 170 crore people of Bangladesh.
In New York, Bangladeshi nationals gathered outside a hotel to protest the arrival of Muhammad Yunus, head of Bangladesh's interim government. They chanted slogans against him, accusing him of taking power illegally and carrying out attacks on minorities in Bangladesh. Protester Sheikh Jamal Hussain said Yunus seized power through dirty politics, leading to the deaths of many people, and urged the UN not to recognize him as a representative of the Bangladeshi people. Another protester, DM Ronald, expressed concern for the safety of Hindus, Muslims, and Christians in Bangladesh under Yunus's rule. Chief Advisor Professor Muhammad Yunus arrived in New York on Monday night to attend the 79th United Nations General Assembly (UNGA), with a series of high-profile meetings lined up on the sidelines of the UNGA, including a meeting with the US President Joe Biden on Tuesday. Here is what the protesters have to say.
The reason we're here, as you know, unconstitutionally, Dr. Muhammad Yunus took the power illegally. He captured the power with dirty politics and a lot of people killings. So far as we know, our elected Prime Minister Sheikh Hasina did not resign. We are humble request to UN that since they couldn't prove themselves that she resigned, so our humble request, he did not represent Bangladeshi people here. Our humble request, please ignore him. He doesn't represent people of Bangladesh.
We believe in secular democracy. After he took the power by force, he started killing Hindus, Muslims, Christians. They're burning all houses. They're burning masjid. They're burning Girja, church. Our people is not safe in Bangladesh. We had a freedom fight 1971. We 30 million people was killed and assassinated by Pakistan. Those Pakistani people, the fundraising against Bangladesh, they want make our country against Bangladesh. They are terrorists and they don't believe in secular democracy. So we are, if we need, we're going to do another war against Pakistan, because we never forget our 30 million people was killed and assassinated 1971. Joy Bangla.
He is not elected. He has been appointed by students. So he doesn't care. About minorities. He doesn't care about anybody. He doesn't care about minorities. He cannot care about anybody. He said he's appointed by students. He's accountable to students only. So he doesn't represent 170 million people of Bangladesh. So he's illegal. He's not elected. He's forcefully, illegally occupied the country and coming here in Bangladeshi currencies. Those currencies are Bangladeshi people currency, not his money. He stole 60,000 crores of money from Bangladesh. He's also convicted in Bangladesh law. He was a convicted criminal in Bangladesh.